I am Mary Grace Piberino. Today, I will present a child reader named Sian, an 8-year-old and a grade 3 learner.
This session began with a brief interview to establish connection and make the child feel comfortable.
Before we start, Sian, how are you today?
I'm feeling good.
Okay, that's good to hear. How about, what's your favorite fruit?
Apple.
Wow. Okay, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Wow. Okay, very good.
Friendly dragon needs help.
During reading activities, Sian shows strong confidence when reading familiar words, but he struggles with unfamiliar ones. He is easily distracted by noise and is shy during interaction, often avoiding eye contact. However, he shows strong comprehension because he can answer questions about the story correctly. Reading is a process that involves both word recognition and comprehension. In Sian's case, his comprehension is strong, but his difficulty lies in decoding unfamiliar words. This can be explained using two reading theories. First, the simple view of reading, which states that reading comprehension depends on decoding and language comprehension. Sian has strong comprehension but weaker decoding skills. Second, the interactive theory of reading, which explains that reading involves interaction between prior knowledge and word recognition. Sian can understand the text because of his background knowledge, but his difficulty with unfamiliar words affects his overall fluency. In terms of development, Sian is in the fluency stage but still needs support in word recognition. His reading is also affected by environmental distractions and his shy behavior.
Okay, very good.
An interview with Sian's mother on his academic performance.
Maayong adlaw, ma'am. Na ako'y mga pangutana about sa performance ni Sian sa eskwelahan. Ang unang pangutana, ma'am, is kamusta man ang performance ni Sian sa eskwelahan?
Performance ni Sian sa eskwelahan. Maayong kagaya ang iyong performance.
To understand Sian's reading situation, I interviewed his mother about his school performance, reading habits, and home environment. The interview revealed that Sian performs well in school but sometimes struggles with reading longer sentences. He enjoys reading, especially with picture books, and reads with his mother several times a week, although distractions at home sometimes affect his focus. Reading involves both word recognition and comprehension, and while Sian can decode words based on phonics theory, his understanding is influenced by his background knowledge as explained in schema theory. His reading is affected by factors such as comprehension, motivation, and home environment, and he is currently in the early reading stage.
Usahay dili man gyud malikayan kay naagay mga disturb bukod sa iyang pagtuon sa sunod ka balay kay naay usahay naay sounds naay cellphone. Usahay ma-distract siya pero dali raman po.
To help Sian improve, I suggest first, using phonics and decoding practice, second, providing a quiet reading environment, third, encouraging guided reading and positive support to build confidence. From this activity, I learned that each child has different strengths and needs. An effective reading support should address both skills and environment. Thank you.